Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here because today I am going to be sharing my recipe with you for pickled onions. This is the perfect time to make pickled onions in the harvest season when everybody has an excess of onions from their garden and friends are offering all of the onions. And then what do you do with them? One of the best ways to use the wonderful red onions is to make delicious pickled onions. It's super easy. Let me show you how. But don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. The first thing I'm going to do is start cutting and peeling my onion. I'm just going to cut my onion in half and then lay it on its side. I'm going to cut this into nice thin strips. Now I'm just going to take my jar and I'm going to start taking my onions and just separating them into the jar. You want to make sure that none of your onions are stuck together. We are going to start adding in our pickling ingredients. The first thing I'm going to add is 1/8 cup of apple cider vinegar. Next, 1/2 cup of distilled white vinegar. 1/2 cup of water. 1 1/4 tablespoons of sugar. And now we're just going to stir and boil the brine ingredients enough to dissolve the salt and sugar. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes. Once this comes to a boil and all the grainy sugar and salt have been completely dissolved, it'll be time to take this brine and pour it right in the jar over the top of the onions. Our brine is ready, and now we'll just pour this right in the jar over the top of the onions. I'll take my spoon and press the onions down and make sure they all get down into that brine. They'll start to soften and they'll go down in there so nicely. That way everything is completely soaked in the brine. We're going to be having these for dinner tonight on top of a salad. They'll be absolutely delicious. Once we get these all pressed down in here, we're going to take these and put them in the refrigerator, and they'll be ready in only 2 hours. Put the lid on. Now, off to the refrigerator to chill the onions. After a couple of hours in the refrigerator, the pickled onions are done. They look just wonderful, and I'm sure they'll taste wonderful on our salad this evening. These pickled onions are going to be so delicious. You can put these on steak or on chicken. You can even put these on top of a salad. They're absolutely delicious. I can't wait for you to give these a try. I really hope that you do. My husband Alan will be so excited tonight when he gets home and he finds out that I have made a jar of delicious pickled onions. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.